Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable today notification for all day reminders on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on reminders. Next, in here, go down and tap on today notification. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can also set a time. And it said I set a time to show notification when there are all day reminders with no specified time. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.